Hello viewers, welcome to Cindy's Vlogs. In earlier sessions, we have already completed with simple present, present continuous and present perfect. Today we are going to proceed with present perfect continuous tense. Before going through the session, those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and give your valuable comments. Present perfect continuous is used to express an action which began in the past but still continues at the time of speaking and may remain continued in future also. Let us look at the example that is given over here. Joseph has been reading this novel for 2 hours. From this example, it can be inferred that he started reading novel in the past and at the time of speaking 2 hours were already spent in this process and still the work is in process. Its structural identification is that there will be since or for with the word denoting time. I have given two examples over here. In one example, I have used for and the other one I have used since. Let us see the difference between these usages or the difference in the sentences. In the first example, let us look at the first example. He has been playing cricket for 2 hours. In this example, it shows that 2 hours were completed when he started playing and when the sentence is being spoken. So, it is a period of time and so we are using for in this particular sentence. Let us look at the next example. He has been playing cricket since 2 p.m. Since refers to the time when he started playing and is not referring to time period at all. So we are using since in this particular sentence. We have 6 types of sentences. So let us start with the positive sentence. So the format that we have to remember is subject plus has or have, been plus verb plus ing plus object plus for or since plus time. So in the examples, I have written 2 examples over here. One with has and the other one is with have. That is, they have to agree with the subject. Sohan has been living in this city since 2010. So in this sentence, Sohan is a singular person. So I have used has over there. Has been living in the city since 2010. So he has been living in the city from the time right from 2010 and still he is continuing in that at the time of speaking also he is still continuing in that same place. The next one, they have been watching news for the last half an hour. So here the period of time is mentioned over here and there you have got have is also used over here. That is according to the subject. They, it is a plural form, plural subject. So you are using have in this sentence. Next type of sentence is negative sentence. Here the format is subject plus has or have not been plus verb plus ing plus object plus for or since plus time. Let us see the example. George has not been doing homework for 1 week. So in this sentence, I have used has over here. And remember, because it is a negative sentence, we will have to use not. So as is a supporting verb that we have got and main verb is doing. Do plus ing, that is doing is the main verb that we have got in that sentence. George is the subject or you call it is a singular subject that we have got. So we are using has, the supporting verb has is used over there. In the next one, Ram and Devi have not been dancing since the last period. So in this we have got, in this sentence we have got Ram and Ravi. The plural subjects are there. So then we are using have. The supporting verb is have, and main verb that we have got is dance plus ing. Dancing is in this particular sentence. Next type of sentence is the interrogative sentence. This we have to start with the supporting verb depending on the subject. So has or have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus for or since plus time. So let us look at the first example. Has he been throwing ink on others for 15 minutes? So don't forget to place the question mark because it is interrogative sentence. Has he, according to the subject, we have to start with has or have. So here the subject that we have got is singular. He is there. So your supporting verb will be has. Has he been throwing? Throw is the main verb that we have got, and you use ing because it is a continuous verb. So then, has he been throwing ink on others for 15 minutes? The next one that we have is, I have started with have because you is the subject that is given over there. So have you, it is a plural form. So have you been making noise in class since last period? So here also don't forget to add the question mark because it is an interrogative sentence. The fourth type of sentence is interrogative negative. So here we have to, because it is an interrogative negative, we have to add not to the format. Has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus verb plus ing plus object for or since plus time. Let us look at the example. Has he not been speaking with his friends for 2 days? So remember, after the subject only then you will be using not been. Before that only the supporting verb has to be used. That is, according to the, it has to agree with the subject. So here he is the subject. So has is used to the supporting verb. Has been used. Has he not been speaking? Speak is the main verb that we have got in the sentence. The next one is, have you not been taking grain food for the last 9 days? So here you is the subject. So you are using have because it is a plural subject. Have you not been taking grain food for the last 9 days? Taking, take is the main verb that we have got in this particular sentence. And remember, it is a interrogative negative sentence. So we have to use the end the sentence with a question mark. The next type of sentences are WH positive sentences. So here WH, just look at the board. I have written it over there, all the WH questions that can be included in this WH positive sentences. So WH plus as or have. So it could be why, what, which, when, where, who, whom. All this can come under WH questions. WH plus as or have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus for or since plus time. So in this also you have to see that at the end of the sentence you have to place the question mark. Why has, so I have used two WH questions over here, why and what. So let us look at the first sentence. Why has he been doing such mischief for 10 minutes? So here you can see that the subject that we have got over here is he. Why has he been doing? So the subject being a singular, you have to use has over there. The supporting verb has to be has. So why has he been doing is the main verb, do plus ing. And then at the end of the sentence you have to place the question mark. In the next sentence, WH question, I have used what over there. What have you been doing since morning? So here also the subject, it is a plural form that we have got, plural subject. So you is the subject that we have got. What have you been doing since morning? Here also do is the main verb that we have got, and then at the end of the sentence we have to use the question mark. The sixth type of sentence is WH negative sentence. Earlier we saw WH positive sentence. So here we just have to add not along with the subject. After the subject you will be adding not. Other than that, the rest of the format remains the same. So WH plus, so WH, when I tell, it can be any of the words that are written over here. WHY, WHAT, WHICH, WHEN, WHERE, WHO and WHOM. So any one word can, WH question can come over there. Let us look at the example. Where has he not been staying for 10 days? So here too we have to end the sentence with a question mark, and here after the subject we will be using not, and before that it has to agree, the supporting verb has to agree with the subject. So in the sentence we have got he as the subject. So where has he not been staying? Staying, it is the main verb that we have got over there. And coming to the next sentence, second sentence, which song have you not been singing since evening? So here the subject is you, so it is a plural subject. So the supporting verb we are using have. Which song have you not been singing? Singing is the main verb, since evening, and then you end up with the question mark. Hope this section was useful. Always remember, practice makes perfect. Try doing a lot of exercises based on these topics. Thank you for watching.